How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice, and today I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a 2024 Saxdor 270. This is a European model. This is a European boat. You haven't seen them around a lot yet, but trust me, you're going to. Back of this boat is going to come with twin 200s. That's right, this is a 27-foot boat, twin 200s, black Mercuries. You can get them in white, but this boat looks gorgeous in the black. You're going to see a lot of differences on this boat that you haven't seen before. It's because there's nothing out like it. Look at this nice glass in the back, the wood finish on the top. I mean, it is a luxury boat. This is a yacht brand, but this one isn't just a 27-foot package that everybody can get a taste of. A lot of unique features on it. Great storage in the back. Take a look at this. It's got a drain in there. If that fills with water, it's going to go right out to your bilge compartment. You don't have one, but you've got two of them. You've got it on the other side as well. Great area to put anything you need, dock lines, shoes, anything that you don't want taking up space in the boat. Throw them right here in the back when your customers get on board. Your customers, your friends. Two doors, 2 points of access on both sides. No matter what side of the dock you're on, you can easily get on and off this boat. Nice gray sea decking in here to be comfortable on the feet. And take a look at this interior. From Saxdor, you've got a couple different options. You've got some browns, you've got this, the tan. I think you can do a really cool orange color. I mean, it's endless. And you look at this area here, you are underneath the hardtop, which is not even a normal hardtop, it's a sunroof. So that's just a cool feature, you know, making it different than everything else on the water. But you've got an area here that everybody can be sitting at the table, comfortable, in shade, and enjoy themselves. Now, I know these seats move around a couple different ways to give you sun pads facing both forward and aft, but I want to show you what is going on up here. So, of course, you can't drive like this. So what do? Simply flip this back. You now have a triple wide helm seat, center line on the boat. Easy access to both sides, but the person driving is in total control. You're standing here, you're still underneath the hardtop, plenty of headroom, great visibility to the front of the boat. Look at this battleship, the command center here. 12-inch SIMRAD, perfect center. You're going to have your nice LED toggles, easy on or off. But this one right here, I said it's the European model. You got a bow thruster on a 27-foot boat. Easeability in driving this boat is no question. Of course, tilt steering wheel, easy. So anybody driving here is going to be comfortable. You got some storage pouches here below, plenty of spots to put your feet, VHF within hand's reach. Guys, they thought of everything on this, but they take it a step further for something that I have my customers ask constantly. Do you have a cuddy cabin? And usually I have to tell them no. Now I don't have to say that anymore. You're on a 27-foot boat with a cuddy cabin. And this is larger than a cuddy cabin. Plenty of room for weekending and overnighting here. You also have an additional wet bar down there and a head. I've checked all the boxes on most things. Twin engine, over 27 foot, and you got a cuddy cabin, and you still have an open bow. Follow me up to the front. Walk way over, get into the front of the boat, and you're going to have a sun pad up here. You're going to have a windlass up on the front as well. Plenty of cup holders. You have additional JL audio, great grab rails so when you're standing up here. And this one does have the forward sail shade that can be installed on it to continue the shade in the front of the boat. Guys, this is a boat you got to see to believe. Come here, MarineMax Venice. We've got it here. Come take a look at it and let me know what you think. My name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.